Have you ever looked up at the night sky and noticed how the moon looks different from day to day? That's because it goes through different phases. Take a look at our moon phase chart and you can see just some of the different moons. The moon actually orbits around the Earth once in about 28 days. That affects the part of the moon that is lighted by the sun and how much of that part can be seen from Earth. We're going to take a look at some different examples and get right into making our own. Let's see what we need to make our own moon phase chart. You'll need some glitter yellow paper for the sun, a round disc, some mat board or a piece of cardboard, some foam balls. I've got a pack of 6 in 2.5 inch, plus an extra one, a large ball for the Earth, some rubber bands, toothpicks, paint brushes, some clear glue, a little bit of glitter, and some acrylic paint in black and silver, blue and green. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to cut the foam balls in half perfectly. I love this little trick. Just slide a rubber band onto your piece and then start sawing. You want to just kind of take it easy and really follow that line of the rubber band all the way around, and voila. You can also, if you have a couple uneven edges, you can take the two together, sand it, and that'll level off your edges. Okay, I've got some going right here. Now, you'll want to do that for the large ball as well. That's going to be our Earth piece. So now I'm ready. Now, if you take a look at our chart, you can see that those shadows are blocked off in black, and then the moon shows in silver with the glitter. So you've got your first quarter, your waxing crescent, and that's what we're going to use our rubber bands for part 2 for the to show those different shadows. Really easy technique. So now let's start painting. I'm going to grab my paintbrush, and I'm using a stiff bristle brush because it makes the paint go on really, really easy. Go ahead and start with the silver and just brush the paint right on. Really, really easy. And if you're looking for this lesson plan, make sure you visit the website because it's got all the different phases of the moon. And then paint your other side with the black. So easy. And you will just do that for all your different phases. Okay, let me set these aside. So I've got them all painted here, but let me just show you how you can use that rubber band off to the side then to do your waxing and waning phases as well. Now for one of my favorite parts. We're going to make our own glitter paint with clear glue. So I've got some started here, but you're just going to want to get a little bit of glue. Actually, I use a lot of glue. And then some silver glitter. And you're just going to shake a pile of this out together. It doesn't matter. You can be messy here. The more sparkle, the better in my world. And then you're just going to swizzle this all together with your paintbrush. And you've got your own sparkly paint. And then you're going to paint that over the silver parts of your moons. Now let's talk about the Earth, the center of the show here. To do the Earth, we're going to just paint the parts of land with a small brush with green. And you would do the whole thing. Then go in with another brush and paint the ocean with blue and just detail that out as much as you want. And that's how we get our Earth piece done. Now, the last thing you need to do is grab your glitter paper, and we're going to cut a half circle, and you could trace a paper plate on here, or you can just freehand it like I am. And you're going to make a sun. And this just illustrates all of the placement and how the Earth creates shadows on the moon. Take a look at our finished chart. You can get these tag pieces from the hands-on website. So you can make your own moon phase chart at home.